Hey, Chef D here with Danielle. We're here at the Legion, and there's a lot of veterans out here that you've now paired up with some dogs, right?
Yes, actually, we have veterans in our local community. Our PTSD service dog program has been going since 2011, and we're proud to partner with the Royal Canadian Legion over the last almost a decade now to help provide service dogs to Canadians. The dogs help with nightmare interruption, reality affirmation, and help the veterans stay on a routine that's healthier.
Veterans are very regimented in their schedules when they go through the military and that, and then things happen and they get out of that, and so then the dogs help them come back in society that way.
Hypervigilance is a huge issue for a lot of our veterans, especially if they've just come back out of Afghanistan over the last decade. So the dogs can help them just stay calm and relaxed in a busy environment out at the mall or coffee shop, so they get to return to activities of daily living that you and I take for granted.
Hey, join us on March 22nd, where we're going to be doing a Springtime in France dinner. We're going to charge you $40, but almost all of it's going to go and help do some amazing work with some amazing veterans. Won't you join us?